Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are here to visit Miss Shereen. Alright, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go speak with her right now. Shereen? Hi, you're running away?
Kind of busy.
Oh, okay. Shereen, we can come in?
Yes.
How you do?
Not bad. Not bad.
You wet? It wet?
Wet up.
Oh.
Good afternoon, Mr. Marcel. Good afternoon, Miss Kim.
Good afternoon. Oh, look at that smile. How you do?
Not bad.
Oh.
Happy to see you.
Yes, we're happy to see you too.
Yeah.
Yeah. You go to the hospital, go spend 3 days? Or more than 3 days?
3 days.
How long?
Been there for a week.
Oh, 1 week? Oh.
A walker, the man give me where I use.
So they give you a walker in the hospital to use?
When they up there. But they must say me if you get to walker, but everything and money.
Oh, they want you to get a walker so you can use at home. Okay. So Miss Shereen, you were in the hospital for the week because you have the MRI to do.
Yeah.
Right. So you did them? You did the test?
We do 2 sessions. I'm going to have 20 minutes so tight leave. But they don't call me, so the doctor asked me if I want to go home. I tell her I say yes.
Oh, okay. So they just admitted you on the ward so you could get to do the MRI.
Yeah.
So you came
when she get the date for 20 minutes, she will call me.
Okay, you go back on the ward again. So how you feel though? You're looking much better, I must say.
Not too bad. Just need to walk.
Yes.
Move around. And so forth. But me thank the Jamaica people. Me thank overseas, me thank everywhere in the world.
Yes.
Thank the sponsors, me thank Miss Kim, me thank Mr. Kim, me thank others.
Welcome.
You thank everybody.
Yeah.
Yes. You are more than welcome.
Yeah, because they never have to reach out.
Yes, absolutely. But they did.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So we have a number of things for you this morning, right? So we have a donor, an anonymous donor from the UK, who sent us some funds to buy some Ensure for you and a pack of Pampers. So we brought them to you this morning. And in addition to we would have brought you some bed pads and an additional pack of Pampers, because we have donors who would have sent us Pampers and so on, and so we would have brought you, so you have, enough to last you for a little while. And you Ensure. All right, so to all the donors, thank you so much. We are more than grateful. I can't reinforce enough how grateful we are for your help, for reaching out, because I know it's a sacrifice, it's not easy. So we thank you immensely and may God bless you. All right, so we have another donor who sent some funds for you as well. She's from St. Elizabeth, and we'll give that to you when we're finished, but just to say to her, thank you so much and God bless you.
To the donor from St. Elizabeth, thanks to the donor from UK, thanks to the donor who sponsored the Ensure, thanks to the donors who sponsored the Pampers, thanks Miss Kim and Mr. Ken for the delivery, thanks to them who leave me out at all times, they always remember me. God bless you. I hope your store basket never empty. And thanks, without Father God, we would get through.
Absolutely.
Father God provided the help for me, provide Miss Kim, Mr. Kim, she always did it for me. Thanks.
You are welcome, Shereen. You are welcome.
Yeah.
Yes. So when we come, I realize you were laying down in the bed, but me see you get up fast. Put foot on ground, so you improve.
Yeah.
God be praised.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what has been happening otherwise, though?
I don't hear about anything else. Something we hear about so far One doctor tell me yesterday, say we must go home, go get crippled up. We must get one walker.
Oh.
I'm go disgrace me. Which a joke him and make, but he knows him if he get the walk off it true. But when he exercise me, we kill him do it hot. You know, want him do it, so make one female do it yesterday. Me go around him yesterday morning. He have 1 second, make his second do it. She kind of look easy going.
Oh, so you prefer to work out, do the therapy with her?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Him do it hot when I do it and him stretch out my foot. Painful, me have to cry.
Yeah. So you're not telling him? You're not telling him say it's painful?
No.
Oh. Ah!
You know that he see me I cry.
You see her cry, that's true. That's what Marcel was saying. Oh no.
So me tell him say, if I saw him I go pressure me, better me get the wheelchair.
Oh.
My boy, me not get no wheelchair. He say yes, me go get me wheelchair by the help of God.
Yes.
That the Lord will provide.
Yes, always. But maybe she's the one who suggested you get a walker though.
Oh.
That same doctor is the one who suggested you get a walker to use at home. So maybe the walker is better because you get to walk around. And you get to move up your muscles and so on, and so it exercises your body.
Even a walker, you go up. You go up, you stand up. You stand up, you go exercise up. You exercise down, like you put one on your foot like this, like it up.
Yeah. Okay.
And there is nothing I can do without God. And there is nothing I can do without the sponsors them. Because without the sponsors them, I cannot get no help. Thank you them, Father God. To provide for Shereen Cunningham. And Shereen Cunningham, appreciate them so much.
All right, guys. Well said, Miss Shereen. Okay, guys. So just want to say a big thank you again to everyone who have donated to this cause. God bless you immensely. May your storeroom never be empty. Yeah.
Oh God.
Yep. So you're going on the road now?
Got more?
Oh, you look like it's going to rain too,
What's wrong with me? I go and can't go.
Oh no.
Go like a Shereen, me a work with, but
Yeah, work with Shereen.
She feed it? Yeah, she feed.
Give me this shit. Oh.
She feed, man. I guess it is making up and all it.
So should I eat that this morning and leave it? No. Watch ya.
Come on, man.
What a blessing. Alright, and so this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. Showing off our pretty smile.